You guys, I have to tell you about this AULA EpoMaker keyboard that I just got. As you can see, I have a few different keyboards. I've modded some of my own. I love having different options to choose from. This is probably the best bang for your buck you can get out of the box. It's got Leobog Reaper switches in it, a nice linear switch. The sound you're gonna hear in a minute is amazing. You've got an encoder knob up here for your volume, built-in north-facing LEDs for backlighting. This can connect via USB, 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, or a wired connection, which is included. It's got a nice long battery life. I love the color palette on this one, on the keycaps, and the sound. Just listen. That is just creamy. Definitely worth picking up for your first keyboard purchase, or even just for a backup if you've got a set already.